Hey guys, Sam with MarineMax Rogers. Today I'm going to walk you through this all black 2026 Nautique G23. Let's go check it out. All right, here on the interior of the G23, you have transom seats back here with 6 cup holders. I also really like how they angle these seats. Really easy step in and out of this boat. This boat also has 3,600 pounds of factory ballast, not sacrificing any storage. You also have these cool hooks, hanging rope, life jacket. Easy step down into the cockpit here. Really nice layout, cup holders, wireless charging. Again, more storage. Everything's on self-supporting hinges. New for 2026. These new Roswell board racks. Similar to previous years, but they've changed the angle of them. You also have this middle locking position. Tower speakers, bimini. This boat is loaded with options. Upgraded JL audio stereo. Here in the cockpit of the G23, really easy to change the seating configuration. Just like that, now you have 4 to 5 people facing backwards, watching the action behind the boat. Typical Nautique fashion, everything is put where it should be, including this in-floor cooler. No one has to get up to grab a beverage. I also love this access to the trash can. Again, no one has to get up to throw the clutter away. Here at the helm of the G23, you have an offset touch display. I also really love this cubby. Put your sunglasses, wallet, keys. Battery switch is located down here. Wireless charger. Volume knob here. You also have this rotary dial and hotkeys right on the armrest, right next to your throttle hand. Really easy to use. Thanks for checking out the 2026 G23. This boat is available at MarineMax Rogers. Come check it out or give us a call today.